Hello my gents, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we'll be reviewing the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, the 9 color eyeshadow palette in the shade number 1. I'll be discussing all the cons and pros of this eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested to know, kindly keep watching. But before we get started, I'd like to request you to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. So without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Hey guys, so let's review this Swiss Beauty 9 shade eyeshadow palette, and I think now this is been in the hot state since forever now in this kind of packaging, and which we will throw it after some time for sure. Means I will throw it for sure. If you keep it with this, then wow, you're so organized, but I am not that organized. I'll throw it, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is really beautiful to be shade number 1. So I believe this is the first eyeshadow in this range that they have launched, because it's the shade number 1. Shade number 7 लेना चाहती थी, but that was in out of stock, so I need to grab this. And it is quite affordable, as we all know. It is only for 187 to 197. P is written 200 something, I guess. मुझे भी मिल नहीं रहा, लेकिन उतना ही है. लेकिन विल ऑलवेज गेट इन अ सेल फ्रॉम इन नायका, अमेजोन or from Purple. I got this from Nykaa during the hot pink sale, and I thought I should review this today. Actually, the base was quite looking good. For base I have used this Lakme 95 foundation. I've also reviewed this foundation. So since the base was almost done, so I thought I should also review this. And for this, I'll link it up here and here. You can also watch it in my channel. So we'll also review this today. Means I'm shooting this all in the same day, so I have also not changed dress, but who cares, thoda hi dikhta hai देखना है. So yeah, and this is a really good foundation, because as you can see how flawless my base looks today. Color that is available on the shade number 1 palette, but to be very honest ना, shade number 7, shade number 8 या 6, तो उसके कलर्स बहुत सुंदर है. मीन्स दे द पॉप आउट कलर्स, बिकॉज दिस आर द बेसिक न्यूट्रल कलर्स एंड सम पिंक शेड्स एंड दैट्स ऑल. बट उसके शेड्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, लिटरली बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो लेट मी swatch each of the shades for you, because I am reviewing this in detail today. So the pigmentations are quite good. It is really soft also, so I really like it. I am not gonna waste so much, but yeah, these are the 4 shades that I have swatched, and oh my god, the pigmentations are really good. And the best thing about it is that ये बहुत ही soft है. And this is one of the shimmer shade that I am swatching for you. You can see it's pigmented. So yeah, this is one another color. So it is really pigmented, to be very honest. If you want to go for good quality eyeshadow palette, then kindly go for this in affordable range. If range is high, then you can switch to other brands too, but since in a affordable stage, I would say below 200, then this eyeshadow palette is really nice. You can use this shade as your contour shade also, and also you can use this shade as your blush, or this shade as your blush. So it is, and this one for your lighter contour. So yeah, this can be used as a multi-purpose also. Do our eye makeup today with it. This packet all has all the basic, what to say, basic information like the ingredients and everything. If you really want to check it out, you can really check this, read this, and know a bit more about this product. This palette is a Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in shade number 1. For just finally going with the eyeshadows, I'll just conceal my eyes just to fill my dark circles, just to conceal my dark circles, or hide my dark circles, because ये तो कलर्स ही पॉप आउट नहीं होंगे ना. That is this shade. That is this shade. I don't know. This is a lighter brown shade, you can say. It has a little bit of fallouts for sure. and you can see the pigmentations are quite good. Take this shade. Yeah, this is also a matte shade. Sorry for my brows because they are not at all done, and even not at all in a good shape, but I don't do my brows till now. Maybe someday we'll do together. Using this pink tone, I am really in love with pink shades nowadays. I don't know why, but yeah, let's do it. We'll apply it to the center of our eyes. As you can see, my eyes look pretty well, and now let's just try doing contour using this brown shade. We'll take this brush and just apply it over here. I never did contour before with an eyeshadow. It does the job, dude. As you can see, there is a shade. It does the job. So this is really a 10 out of 10 product for me. It is a really good eyeshadow palette, but the cons of this eyeshadow palette is that all other neutrals, you don't get any bright color. Means even if it has only one family, means अगर ये पूरा बस pink family का होता, तो that could be used, because other than that I don't think this eyeshadows can be used in multiple ways for me. And so yeah, other than that, the pigmentations are nice, the product is nice, the shimmers are quite pigmented, they're really soft and gentle on eyes, and so I really love this. And I also would like it much more if it had a mirror here, because then बहुत ही convenient होता है देख के करना. Other than that, this is a travel friendly eyeshadow palette. It is quite pocket friendly even. So in 189 rupees you are getting the best formulas, you can say. Means in that amount, yeah, you are getting the best formula. बट कॉन्स मेरे लिए होगा कि एक मिरर हो जाता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. देन दिस कुड बी यूज्ड एज ओनली एक फैमिली का, मीन्स इट कुड हैव द ऑल द डार्कर एंड द डीपर टोन्स ऑफ ओनली वन फैमिली. देन द प्रोडक्ट वुड बी लाइक versatile, like the Huda Beauty palette I am talking about. That's it for the video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked anything about the video, kindly the like button and also the subscribe button. This would mean the world to me. So kindly comment down below what you want to see me reviewing in my upcoming videos. Bye my gems, see you next time.